Okay, good morning everyone. I hope you can actually see my screen right now. So again, I'm Juliano. I'm from Dell. I'm from the Commercial Client Solutions, focusing on our commercial portfolio. So as mentioned for this morning, we'll be actually talking about our Precision Workstation, how we'll be able to help you and what are actually the innovation that we put in together and new portfolios we have launched for the past months. Within our commercial client portfolio, within our commercial client portfolios, we basically have this performance build tools for us to be able to empower our workforce, for us to help the engineers to be able to create building designs, content, whether it's data science, okay, they're doing every analytics, and we have these portfolios in our positions for us to be able to provide the highest performance and highest reliability in terms of our portfolios. Okay. Also, with our Dell Precisions, we'll be able to help your vision to come into life. Let's take a look first on what Dell is actually talking about, or in the past months. We've been actually pioneer in terms of talking about workforce transformation. Okay? We even told in that concept or idea that a device is unique for each type of the user. And we also understand that it's not just providing the right device. We also take into considerations employees' experience. And as actually years goes, or until right now, we also understand that workforce transformations continues to evolve, which means it's not just providing the right solution or the right device, but also addressing employees' experience, which is actually unique to everyone or to every person. And for this morning, we'll focus to the customers or workforce into creative, into engineering. What can actually Dell brings in to help improve employees' experience? For the past months, Dell Technologies has been busy talking to different ITs, different users, understanding what they want to have in their technology. Okay? And based on that study, we actually heard that or surprised that both IT and user will have common wants, wherein they want to have a device that will be able to adjust on their day-to-day needs. Okay? They want to actually have an intelligent device that will be able to adapt on how they actually use their devices. And we make it into reality by having the Dell Optimizer for our precision, and not just in our precision, but even across our commercial portfolio. We also focus on bringing in enterprise components in our precision. As you all know, only our precision portfolios can have the Xeon processor and even maximize the ECC memory technology that we have across our lineup. We continue to innovate, we continue to provide different new technologies that is only supported in our current portfolio. As we talk about mission critical as one of our commitment to our customer by providing highest reliability, highest flexibility, we work closely with different ISP providers for engineering, for multimedia software to make sure that our device seamlessly work, okay, and optimize for the performance for this type of application. We understand that your organizations or companies are investing significant money on the software. And of course, we want to actually complement that by providing a powerful device that will be able to help your engineers, to help your employees, to make them be more productive and be able to complete their job. Another unique technologies that we add up in our precision is the RMT, or Dell Reliable Memory Technology. It's unique in Dell. It basically added additional reliability on the memory to avoid any blue screen. As we continue to see technologies to evolve, okay, a lot of companies nowadays are trying to find ways on how they will be able to provide or deliver their content in the most immersive and productive as possible. Okay, we take into consideration that our portfolios are designed with end user in mind, be able to support this AI virtual reality experience with the use of our platform. And at the same time, we have a lot of peripherals or ecosystem solutions that complements a better productivity and user experience. We continue to focus by providing our customers highest applications performance, highest availability, and consistent end user experience, while we are encouraging our customers to focus to drive their decisions on application performance and reliability. And across different industries, whether you're into engineering, manufacturing, multimedia, oil and gas, even financial, okay, or healthcare, our complete sets of portfolios will be able to help you empower your employee. You've probably seen this couple of times already, that Dell has a wide range of portfolios across our Precision family. Of course, we have the mobile, we have the tower, and for those of you who would like to contain the content within your data center for confidentiality, okay, we can actually deliver this through the use of our rack-mounted solutions. And one thing that actually excites us is that we continue to innovate, we continue to hear our customers, okay? And we would like to actually announce or formally inform you that we have launched a new family, okay, on our 5000 series mobile precision workstation. Probably some of you have seen our 5000 series, our thin and light 15 inches that is using an infinity display. We never stopped to that, and now we are actually introducing a new 17 inches on our 5000 series, and let me share you this video. If you call if you call So we added a new portfolio, which are Precision 5750. It's a 17 inches, thinnest, smallest, lightest mobile workstations available right now. And what's good with this portfolio is that we're actually able to bring in new technology, like proximity sensor that is only available before on our Latitude 7000. We also adopted the four-sided infinity display. Okay, we want to make sure that it has a better connectivity, okay, a full experience of having or running an artificial intelligence or virtual or VR-ready applications, okay. So this has the smallest footprint, but giving you a 17 inches. Even though it's thin and light, we make sure that we do not compromise the productivity or the need of the users. Okay, so now across our mobile precisions, so we have this 3000, 5000, and 7000 family. Some of you probably wondering, okay, I want to use precision, okay, but I have limited budget. I also have some challenges, or I'm not into design, into engineering, but I have a high workloads or heavy Excel files, okay, that requires probably high performance, okay, because of high workloads. I also have limited budget, okay. For this case, we have our 3000 mobile precision. Our 3000 mobile precisions will have the U processor that we normally use from our mobile latitude, okay, or mobile devices like our laptops, but at the same time having or leveraging now the NVIDIA Quadro graphics card. But if you want to have the best performance, okay, and also on price, leveraging on high performance processor, we can always leverage our Precision 3551. For those of you looking for expandability, highest Xeon performance, dual processors on a mobile devices, we can always leverage on our 7000 series. So from basic 2D, okay, up to the rendering, okay, that requires higher processor power or memory, we have that across also of our mobile precision portfolio and even on our tower precision. We also want to share to you, our customers, that we continue to refresh our offering, okay? Last May, we also refreshed our processor for our tower form factor. And we also introduced a new 3000 series, the 3640, the 3440, that is actually leveraging on a 10th generation Intel processor, okay? Core i7, Core i9, up to Xeon processor. With this portfolio, we can actually work with you to identify the right configurations, and we can actually customize it based on your user needs. For our 5000, 7000, this will actually provide you highest flexibility in terms of memory, storage, processor, okay? So we can always leverage on these portfolios if you're looking into a high 3D or rendering applications. Beyond those bringing in server technologies in our precisions, we also put a wide range of innovations on technologies only on our precision workstation. I mentioned earlier, one thing that is unique is the ISP certification. The RMT, the memory reliability, that is available only on this portfolio. And we also bring in a wide range of storage solution, okay? For those of you who's looking better performance on storage, okay? We also have our intelligent tool, which is that can optimize performance of the system. So we recently also refreshed this software, and we would like to introduce to you our new optimizer tool for precision, okay? Our new optimizer tool for precisions will be able to help our customer improve performance. We're actually leveraging already on artificial intelligence, and at the same time understanding the behavior of the user on how they use the applications on the background. Okay, what is the difference of this application compared to the previous optimizer tool? Our previous optimizer tools basically have static configuration. Example, if the user detects, or if the application detects the user is using Autodesk or AutoCAD, okay, it actually changes or suggests on how you can optimize the performance. But with this new version of optimizer, okay, it will actually adjust the setting of the performance based on user behavior on how they use the application. So later, we can talk about on the new feature that is available for free across the new models of our precision portfolio. It also have an intelligent tool that helps improve battery performance, also help enhance the audios and video quality. And what's good with this device is that for those of you still using Microsoft SCCM or using Workspace ONE, we can integrate for central management the Dell Optimizer. So let's run through on the feature of the new optimizer, okay? So we focus on 4 aspects: express response, express charge, express sign-in, and intelligent audio. And for express response and express charge, we leverage on artificial intelligence and at the same time, machine learning. Across all these aspects, we'll be able to help you to have a better or faster application launch, improve application performance, battery life, and even on audio, especially nowadays with the new norm. Most of us are working from home, probably doing events, attending events, or video calls from home. And we have, or in our environment, multiple voices, okay? It depends on your area. And having this tool, it helps you enhance or adjust the audio loudness. They eliminate noise within your background, okay? And we also also leverage with the optimizer the secure login or faster login technology. So let's drill down more. So express response for application. One feature of express response for application that is only available in Precision now is the storage optimization. Okay? And soon we'll be also having the graphics card optimization for the next version. Okay? For application response, we are allowing the user to select top application that they commonly use, whether it's an engineering software, a PowerPoint, an email, a Word, okay? And it basically from the background, after the user select that kind of application, the optimizer does it work. It analyzes how long does the user is using this application, okay? How they actually utilize the application. So it depends on the user, okay, activity. Then the optimizer on the background will be actually able to adjust a specific setting fit on how the usage they do, on how their usage for this kind of application. Okay, so it helps on performance improvement. Okay, so we don't need to guess. Unlike before, oh, I'm giving you a latest technology already, but user will commonly complain about performance, launching an application. So optimizer tool will be able to help that. Express charge, it actually understand when do you usually charge the battery of your laptop. Okay, do you charge it once you power up your system? How many hours? Okay, so using the AI and machine learning, okay, the optimizer will be able to adjust the setting so that when you need to go out, do presentation, and you run out of battery or you don't know where's the outlet within your location, the optimizer will be able to adjust your settings so that you don't need to worry about the battery life of your laptop. Okay? And this is the benefit or one of the benefits that the optimizer can help you, can help our end customer. Proximity sensor, okay, basically helps you power up your system, log into the system the fastest possible. It detects any human within the area, okay, it wakes up the system. Using your Windows Hello, you can automatically log in. Okay? And at the same time, if it doesn't detect any humans, your system is on, it will automatically sleep. Okay, so it's basically helping you to also add up additional security, okay, in your system. And for your intelligent audio, again, as I mentioned, it can help you adjust the loudness, the noise level within your environment. Okay, so there are different categories that you can select so that the optimizer can adjust your working environment. So how important is this? Okay, if we're going to, as an employee, or as a user, it's probably at the start of the day, okay, wake up, utilize to easily sign into your system. Okay, so your most frequent applications, you don't need to worry on how you can be productive as we mentioned earlier, users are already looking for a device that can adjust on their everyday need. Intelligent device that can be able to help them perform well, okay, without them knowing. Okay, and this is something that an optimizer, everyone can benefit. Express charge, it will guard you on any power issue. For eliminating noise from your background, intelligent audio will be able to help you. Okay? So within our commercial client portfolios, we are now making the optimizers available. But one thing unique for Precision is that a storage-heavy application or application optimizers is only available across our Precision family. Of course, we never forget by telling that productivity of the users will continue to improve, okay, by additional 18% according to study if we provide them the right solutions, the right ecosystems. Dell also provides or help you improve your workforce productivity with our Dell Monitors portfolio. Okay? That will be able to help them boost their productivity even though that they're currently working from home. Okay? It's not just, of course, providing a monitor. We also take into consideration the health of our employee. Okay? Does it complies or it can actually helps them to feel more comfortable, provides the right ergonomics requirement for them. Okay? So within our monitor solutions, we have a wide range of portfolios or solutions we can help you, can help our customers. Okay? And at the same time, our solutions be able to help seamlessly integrate across our platform, okay, across our different solutions within our client portfolio. Beyond the monitors, beyond the display, we also continues to improve by providing a wide portfolios of our ecosystems. Okay? Our docking solutions is actually open system leveraging on a Type-C connectivity. Okay? Even have our Jabra headset on a U350. And recently, we also launched our Dell Mobile Adapter speaker. Okay? So these are actually some ecosystem that can fully leverage the remote workforce solutions nowadays, okay, and be able to complement the user productivity. Beyond our Precision solution, okay, as we continue to actually leverage our lineup to help our workforce, we also continue to improve our Latitude family, our Optiplex family, and we actually bring in, or we're currently the only brand right now that provides an intelligent device, okay? So we have this cut across our commercial lineup. So with all the solutions that we have, okay, Dell, or as within Dell, we can actually help your visions, okay, to come into life. Okay? We'll be able or grateful to help you, our customers, to customize or to be able to identify the right solutions that is fit for your user need, for them to be able to empower them to make their job done, okay? And at the same time, be able to satisfy the employee's experience. One thing I would like to actually share, okay, is basically if you're a first-time user of Dell, you want to leverage and you're looking for a device that will work on your applications like Adobe, like Autodesk, okay, can actually leverage our Workstation tool. Okay, it's actually a public website where you can go for Workstation Advisory. It can actually guide you on what device, what portfolios you can take into consideration. And what's good with this is upon providing some information, it gives you a recommendation from good, better, best option on our Precision portfolio. Okay, I'm not going to, I think this will be the last slide. Okay, feel free to ask question. Okay, you can actually post it in the Q&A or in the chat box. I'm not going to take this longer because I know it's quite challenge to really adapt um, to the new norm right now of doing a virtual event. But again, we would like to thank everyone, okay, for joining us this morning. And if you need more information about our precision portfolio, and at the same time, other portfolios we have within Dell Technology, feel free to work with our partner, Maximum Solution. So again, good morning, everyone, and thank you.